Okay, so finally started my 01 F250 7.3 project. What I did is my engine has a bad piston and a bad cylinder wall on the passenger side first cylinder. So I ended up buying me a whole engine. At least blocking heads, and according to the owner, it had only 135,000 miles, and took it to the machine shop, and just got a second opinion for the guy. I know this guy really good, and he looked at the block, and he said he didn't. It didn't need it to be honed or nothing like that, but so I just wanted to share. The first video I'm making on this thing is we done got all the block, pretty much bare block. We're replacing all the seals, like the timing cover, gasket is gonna get a new gasket. Everything is gonna be new seal with. We're gonna go back with a brand new oil pump. All the cylinders have been cleaned up. And the surface being cleaned up. All the lifters are gonna go back new. um, there was no knocking or nothing like that on this motor, according to the owner who I bought it from. And as you can see, the oil pan is being removed, and we're going back with the rear main seal, where we're gonna put a new one in there. And so bad I didn't make a video when the engine was together, but so here I am. I already ordered the fuel injectors. All the fuel injectors are gonna go back in there new, and the oil cooler is gonna get new seals and everything like that. So hopefully it turns out to be a good project, and nothing go wrong. Probably today is Saturday, probably Tuesday I think we're gonna bring the truck in here in the shop, and then we're gonna get that car finished first. That's where the truck is gonna go in, and try to take the engine out of that one. We are using the heads out of the engine in my truck right now because not too long ago I did the head gaskets on and went back with all 16 valves new. So I'm not gonna put that to a waste. So we're just gonna take it back to the machine shop, make sure the surface is clean. It's straight, and if it needs to be milled, it's gonna be milled. But I know all the vacuum and pressure tests are gonna come out okay on the cylinder head, so that's what we're gonna do to him. So I already got all the gaskets that he's gonna need. In my other engine, I got a pedestal without the exhaust back pressure valve, so that's gonna be nice. I'm gonna make a video whenever we're putting this engine back together. Probably not step by step, because pretty much if you're looking at this video you kind of know what the situation is. But we're gonna make it whenever pistons are in or whatever, stuff like that. So hopefully you can follow along what we're gonna do to it, and I'm gonna bring the truck in here like I said, and hopefully by the end of next week we're gonna have it running, hopefully, if everything turns out okay. We had a little issue in the shop, for people, when they want to give you the runaround, they do. And we were struggling a little bit this week. We didn't done any work this week, but it's okay. Next week we're gonna do whatever it takes to get back up. But like I said, this is just the beginning. We done got all the pistons cleaned up. I'll show them to you right here, cleaned up. We're gonna go back with new rod bearings, cleaned up, the best we could. Mark them from 1 to 4 on this side and 1 to 4 on the other side, so we don't mix them up and stuff like that. But rod bearings are gonna come out okay if we do them new, because they had a little wear on them. There's nothing to be concerned about. All the crankshaft looks perfect. So you know, this is just something we're gonna get to do. And like I said, you know, it's a simple job to do. Engine is an engine, so what you gotta do is how the engine works. And like this one right here that we're doing 7.3 is nothing to do with like a Duramax. Duramax is way too crazy to work on, but we have done some things to them, you know, like a few head gaskets and stuff like that on Duramax. But I love 7.3. I mean, Power Stroke is one of my best engines out there, and that's why I keep my little truck running. So you know, hopefully that you can follow along, like I said a little earlier, you know, and see how everything turns out. But hopefully everything's gonna turn out okay, and we're gonna be having fun when it cranks up. So thank you for watching, and again, have a blessed day.